The Pi Network whale has just forecast the date of the Open Mainnet launch. The Open Mainnet kickoff sooner than we all anticipated, which will really be good news, guys. I have more excellent news to share with you today. But first, let's take a moment to congratulate these Pi Network couples who met through the exchange of Pi coins, fell in love, and made a lifelong commitment to one another. Wow, guys, this is really amazing. I'm overjoyed for them and wish team all the best in their journey. Before we proceed, this channel has resumed its daily giveaway of 50 Pi coins to one lucky subscriber. To be that lucky winner, simply comment Pi Network to the moon with the rocket emoji. With all that, let's proceed. The Open Mainnet debut of Pi Network is one of the most widely anticipated breakthroughs in the decentralized finance, often known as DeFi community. As a result, in preparation of the launch of Open Mainnet, a number of innovators and powerful figures have created numerous theories to back their forecasts. Therefore, a pioneer with over 182K followers on Twitter who goes by the handle Pi Whales is one of these key influencers, according to those who are following him. This person appears to be one of the Pi Network's trusted individuals. These include Ben, one of the co-founders of the well-known BSC news platform, Kim Wong, and most notably Atlantis Exchange, a significant cryptocurrency exchange. So this person really correctly anticipated the precise time when Pi Network Mainnet would launch. But first, let's take a critical analysis of his predicted Mainnet launch date. Guys, please take a moment to like this video and also click on the subscribe and notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of our next videos. However, according to the Pi Network white paper, Open Mainnet won't be made public until KYC has achieved significant progress in the scheme. The phase would additionally start after the enclosed Mainnet had reached complete maturity. The Pi Network whale said that my prediction for Open Mainnet of the Pi Network will be between 2 to 3 months from now. Hold your Pi coins. Protect your hard-armed Pi. He continued by asking, how about you? What do you foresee? So gentlemen, feel free to leave your own guess in the comments section of this video. There have been advancements in the development of the limited mainnet ecosystem, according to Pi Network's writing about the Open Mainnet period. But there are still issues with widespread KYC acceptance based on ecosystem development. Many people, including the Pi Whales on Twitter, believe that the Open Mainnet is about to happen. The documentation for the protocol serves as a roadmap for this momentous achievement. Even though the launch date is not specified yet, the development of the Pi Network ecosystem is also encouraging for the rollout of the Open Mainnet, signaling it's approaching. In the interim, the Pi Network team is improving the KYC service in order to attract more pioneers and build one of the largest networks in the cryptocurrency sector. Through a Pi's blockchain protects financial transactions, community developers can create decentralized applications, dApps, for millions of users using the mobile meritocracy system and the full Web 3.0 experience. Guys, keep an eye out for people who appear to be interested in buying something from you. Everyone will have access to markets and apps where they can make purchases and pay using the Pi Network coin. I can boldly tell you that these markets are prepared, but everyone is eagerly anticipating the SDK from the Pi Network project. At the time of the creation of this video, the SDK is almost complete. The Pi Network browser was created to help you find approved merchants who have passed and are correctly connected to the Pi Network blockchain with a range of assignments. Therefore, if you're looking for marketplaces or merchants, please make sure you're using the Pi Network browser. In my example, I'll contrast what happens when I look for a particular retailer. When using the default browsers on your PC or mobile device, the results are similar to using the Pi Network browser. Now I'll focus on a couple of markets or stores that are open and about to open considerably sooner than you might think. Please be aware that I will only be referring to the most significant shops and markets. I think you ought to be aware of that. I'll start by looking at the Pi Chain Mall, with over 660 subcategories and 30 established categories. The Pi Chain Mall is a recognized global e-commerce network. The following one is what you have. Retail companies compete with one another in this sector to provide goods and offers at reduced prices. It will also apply to everyone. After that is Barter Mall. This is a website where you can shop, and you also can pay with Pi coins for a wide range of tangible and digital commodities. An important phase is the Pi browser. I'll begin my demonstration by turning on my computer and visiting the website for the Pi Chain Mall. You will see something comparable when the web page loads. Please be aware that the website is still under development and cannot connect to the Pi network because the Pi team stake is not yet available. Once the network browser opens, you can enter the same page to observe that unlike how it would appear on a regular computer, the website loads properly. Let me give you a quick tour of the online store since we are already here. Once the network browser opens, you can enter the same page to observe that unlike how it would appear on a regular computer, the website loads properly. The store is now displaying categories from several countries. The second shop I'll mention is Barter Mall. You might have also seen that there are currently lines of a wide range of commodities, including clothing, jewelry, cell phones, colognes, and wine, available for purchase using Pi money receiving delivery of your order from. The nicest aspect is that it may be anywhere. Pi can also be used to make payments. Contrary to what you would have thought, early adopters should thus get ready for the launch of these applications, as well as a number of stores that are very similar to these ones at the Pi network marketplaces, which will only be reachable through the Pi browser, the Steed Icon API, which will let markets and other ecosystem-friendly dApps interact with the Pi network. Blockchain is about to be officially released by the Pi team. Guys, let me briefly explain how the marketplace in the Pi network browser works. Select the item you wish to buy before visiting any of the markets, then use Pi to make a payment. Before you can click on Shop, you must sign in. Then you will be connected to your wallet, marketplace throughout this registration process, and the next step will include selecting a region. However, make an effort to prevent losing your Pi to fraudsters and anyone who offer to buy your Pi coins. I'll be providing some basic details regarding how the markets will interact with your Pi network browser and the Pi network wallet in the interim, guys. I think we will have to stop here for now. I do hope by now you have understand how this Pi marketplaces work. One of the busiest decentralized applications, dApps, on the Pi network is the Pi Chain Mall, PCM. Using Pi tokens as their medium of exchange, PCM's decentralized marketplace enables a network of users from across the world to purchase, sell, and trade goods and services. Pi Network's Pi Chain Mall has been expanding ever since. In October 2022, PCM takes first place in the inaugural Pi Network Hackathon. In the hackathon, Pi Workforce Pool, a website for job seekers, won the prize for Best Business App, placing PCM in second place. The PCM team just tweeted to their community to congratulate their accomplishments. Operating the Pi Chain Mall is really easy. After creating a profile and connecting it to their Pi wallet, users may start buying and selling goods. Although full KYC is not necessary to join Pi Chain Mall, as the Pi network advances closer to the open mainnet, all members will complete KYC. If you have any business proposals, kindly send us a mail via the mail or telegram provided in the description of this video, and if haven't subscribed yet, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you and see you in our next video.